coming out on the Miami Bro channel.
Oh, you're the guy on YouTube, right?
Yeah, man.
I remember you.
Yeah, bro. You'll come out on the channel, brother. Welcome guys to the Miami Bro channel. I'm out here at Blackpoint Marina, just arriving here, and I heard a little rumor. It's a small rumor, but I heard it. I don't know, I gotta check to see if it's true, that we are in high tide, or not high tide, king tide, and I wanted to come and check that out for myself. And by the looks of it, wow, yeah, this tide, I'm seeing it right now, this tide is, it's pretty high. All right guys, stay tuned. Check out that water. That is definitely king tide. Wow. Pretty crazy. I'm sure that whoever's standing on those docks now with that croc out here, they're probably trying to get the boat in and out as fast as possible.
It's the Miami Bro channel.
What's up, everybody? This is Droner Tom from Southeast Wisconsin. Check out Miami Bro channel. It rocks. #1 on YouTube. Subscribe.
Hey y'all, this is the G-Man from Texas, all the way from Lake Fork, Texas, saying Miami Bro Channel. Check him out.
Guess it's having a hard time with the engine. It's not starting. What's this guy doing? Okay, so this guy's lucky that on a day like today, there's nobody around. Nobody. So he could literally just park his car right there, take his beautiful time preparing his boat. Because on a day that it's a busy day, that's not allowed. I don't know if it's not allowed, but you shouldn't do that. Because you'll have a couple of people honking at you and screaming at you. So I guess he's just prepping something, making sure something's right in the boat. But again, like I showed you guys in my other videos, if you want to prep your boat, don't do it here at the docks. Do it at the prep station. See, and there you go, there you go. This guy came up to them and told them, yo, you guys alright? What's going on? So he just stopped his boat, his truck right there in the middle of the whole entire ramp. We still got my fellow subscribers here having a hard time turning on that engine. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually go do something that you guys have told me for me to go do when I see these things occur, and you guys are like, why don't you go give the guy a hand? Why don't you go give the guy some tips or something like that? So I'm actually gonna walk over there because they're actually my subscribers, and I'm gonna try to give them some tips on why they should not actually go out on a tiny little boat. And if they want to go out, they could go out, but you know, it's just my opinion, my recommendation. All right, so let's see how this goes. Telling people what I think. Let's see. Guys, you guys are having a hard time there, man? Damn.
Bro,
What's going on with the engine, dude?
it was working all day, bro.
I know, I saw you guys pulling in.
It's brand new, bro.
Oh, bro.
We got it like a week ago.
Oh my God. Yeah, I saw you guys coming in perfectly fine. All of a sudden, you've been there trying to start it up.
It was like little leak.
I don't know.
It's coming.
If it doesn't work eventually, bro, I think you gotta call it a day because you have little kids, you know, just, you know, it's better to mess up here than for it to be out there in the ocean, you know?
They already did this one time too, bro.
No, for real?
Let's take it to Bass Pro Shop, but they said that a little bit of oil will get into the...
Let it bleed for a second. Let it, because you're choking it. There's too much gas in the line. You gotta wait. You gotta air that shit out. You gotta air exhaust or no. Think about it like a lawnmower, right? Listen, when you pull it,
When I put it, gas
this thing is too much. It's brown. Gas in the line. You gotta shut the air out. Wait a second. Okay. When you keep going like that, the line keeps on getting. You primed it already? Put the gas in the line. Put the gas in the line. Put the gas in the line.
No, this is not a... It's a force stroke.
Put the gas in the line. Put the gas in the line. Put the gas in the line.
Oh, so it should start by itself if it's a four-stroke.
Not only should it start by itself, but if you drain the, if it has too much gas in the line,
You're choking it.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing. So
Wait. What's that? Is that the air release?
Yeah, it's the air
Yeah.
release. I open it?
Yeah. That shit goes.
Yeah, because this happened to me last week, and I had to take it back to Bass Pro Shop, and they told me that it was because I leaned it the wrong way or
You
something.
haven't leaned it. You've been good. I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
Go on YouTube.
Yeah.
There you go, man. Go on YouTube.
Yeah.
Go on YouTube and you find the solution. Alrighty then. Alright. So that guy's big. Alright, so as you guys can see, I came out here, offered him a bit of advice. I don't know much about engines, especially those small little engines. but we had the police officer here who was watching the whole situation, gave him his advice. Apparently he knows how to deal with those engines. He thought it was perhaps a 2-stroke engine. It's a 4-stroke. So 4-stroke engines, typically, I have a 4-stroke engine. You're supposed to just start it and it starts up. You don't have to pump it or anything like that. But there you go, guys. I actually went out and did what you guys said. All right, guys. Alright guys, so I went out there, talked to these guys. The police officers got involved. They came as well to try to help them out, as you guys can see back there. But sometimes, guys, I know you want to have fun and go out and and enjoy the day, but things happen. And when things like that happen, take it like if it's a sign from God telling you, hey, you can't go out, because it could be a lot worse. If you go out there, especially in a boat that size with the amount of people he has on there, and they have a little girl. I mean, I went over there to basically tell them. You guys heard me tell them, that if it doesn't happen now, doesn't start now, just call it a quit, because he has a couple of people there trying to help him out still, and I don't think he's gonna be able to go out today in his boat. Take it like a sign from God. Look at that. They got it started, guys. They got it started. Alright guys, so it's the end of my day, and as I was leaving I had a quick chance to speak to a couple of people who come out here, and they I'm not gonna show who they are. I didn't show who you are. But they're out here every day, or apparently almost every day, checking out what happens here at the marina. It's a nice place to come out to, relax. It's a nice winds, you see a nice little view. Alright guys, take care.
Bye.
Nice talking to you. Take care. And it's pretty cool, they come out here, they found their little relaxing spot. They park their car, they post up with the little chairs, and they have it, their little laughs by watching people do things, and they talk to each other about what they're seeing. And I had a brief conversation with them. They're nice people. All right guys, so once again, thanks for watching the Miami Bro channel. I hope you guys share my content. I hope you guys like. For those who are new, subscribe. It's free. You can press that little subscription button, and stay tuned for the next video. All right guys.